Hey guys, Dale here. I hope you're doing well. Here today with you with another Forex trading video with price action swing trading. And today I just wanted to actually show you a trade I've entered. I was a little bit late getting to record this video, but it's not too late. I can show you what's basically happening here, and you can see the trade progress. So starting off from the weekly chart here on the pound CAD is the currency pair in focus today. We're basically looking at a long opportunity, and the weekly chart really backs that sort of bullish bias up because we've got a very strong level here. You can see this level acted as support, broke through. We're talking back 2014 now, come back up, held as resistance, and then we basically broke up there, come back down, held as support. Now we're back here again, support, and now holding a support again. Now these weekly levels, you should really be paying attention to them because this is where you're going to see trends die and new ones born. You're going to see very strong reversals here, like this. A couple of weeks worth of selling, stopped right there at that that support level there, and then we got an extreme strong move out of there, like that lasted a few weeks there, or a few months, I should say. So here we are again, and we can see now that the bulls have basically been stimulated here and encouraged to buy. They're entering the market, we're flooding in, and we can start to see bullish presence developing here off this weekly level. We're only got, I think we're on Friday's session now, so we're on the last candle of the week. So this week is probably going to close as a very strong sort of like weekly reversal signal. Scale down to the daily chart, and we can see we've got a very nice bullish reversal pattern here, candlestick pattern, and that's the rejection candle there. Long lower tail, and I like to see the body in favor of the signal. So we've got a close price that's higher than the open price, which gives the candle a bullish body. So we've got some blue there. If that was a bearish body, probably start second guessing whether I was going to take that or not. But because it's a bullish body, I think that makes all the difference. I think that's really what puts the icing on the cake for these reversal signals when they close in favor like this. So I actually went in with that retracement entry there, and with a dip down over 2 days, and then we've basically bounced off that level again there. So stop loss has basically gone below the lowest price that was made. That was the rejection candle. It basically made that lower low. So we put that stop loss below there. And the logic there is if the market does come down and take out this lower low and make new lower lows, then we don't want to be in the market anymore, because this would be a sign of weakness, a bearish footprint. When the market keeps printing lower lows, you don't want to be sort of like buying into that without no good reason. But the market has rebounded and it's come up, and we're in profit now, so that's good. But I just want to really show you, I think this is a nice trade and a good example for trading with weekly charts, because I mean you can really get some killer moves out of this. And I've set my target here basically at these weekly swing highs, just shy of it. So if we go back to the weekly chart, we can see basically the highs up here, even back here. So I've just been a little conservative and dropped it down a bit, so the price doesn't have to go all the way up and touch it, just has to reach somewhat around that area, and that'll be my take profit target. So yeah, just got to be careful as well with this one, because we are dealing with the pound, and like in 2 weeks or so, we've got the Brexit event where London may be leaving the Eurozone. So that's like an event that's never occurred before, and the brokers are sending out all sorts of warnings, and they're raising margin requirements and everything like that. It's got them scared. They don't want to have another Swiss franc incident where they lose a lot of money from huge slippage. So they're just covering their asses a bit here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just going to follow the price action anyway. I've got my protection in place, although big events like that, your stops can be gapped over, but that's kind of part of like the risk, I guess, you take. If you don't want any risk, then don't be involved in the market during Brexit. But I'm going to hold this trade and play the rules out. Hopefully we hit target before the Brexit event. That would be nice. But yeah, it's basically going to set, forget, and hopefully collect on this one. So I'm going to pause the video there, and hopefully this analysis will be helpful, and we'll see how fruitful it becomes. Hey traders, I'm back, and I've pretty much finished up with this trade. I just took profit just then. We're just about to ease into the New York close there in half an hour here on Tuesday. So a couple of reasons why I've exited early here, because as you can see, I didn't really reach my desired target up here at about 1 to 5. So we can see here we got basically 3,500. I had $1,000 risk on there in that stop loss there. There's 1,000, 1,000. So we basically, so you can see the trade trace there. So it's basically 3.5 times my risk. Okay, so that's pretty good. If as long as you can get around 3 times your risk, you're doing pretty well. So I'm fairly happy with that. Now the reason that I basically got out here is because now we're getting into the Brexit territory now. It's going to be in 2 days. We're going to start seeing that vote data come out, and probably a lot of speculation before that. Poll analytics and whatever. So I think things are going to start to get pretty volatile, and this is a pound trade, pound CAD. So I'm in the line of fire here for that Brexit move, and I thought about holding through it, but I thought if it ends up like the Swiss franc incident where we just get this massive like 5,000 pip candle or something, then could probably lose a lot of money. Now the brokers, as I said in the previous video, have sent out multiple warnings. They've lowered the leverage right down to like 1 to 20. I think my account was set at like 1 to 500 or something ridiculous like that. Not that I need that, but that's what's basically available for most brokers these days. Or in the US, I think you can get 1 to 50, 1 to 100, but they've dropped it right down to 1 to 20. They're covering their asses, and the margin requirements for a pound trade right now were huge. Just to keep this trade open, it was $10,000 margin requirement, which I've never seen anything like that before. So they're pretty much sending out all the warning signals, and they have the right to do that because they really need to protect their business, because who knows what Brexit's going to do, right? It's going to go pear-shaped quite easily for a lot of people. There's a second reason, a more technical reason, or price action based reason why I've exited, and we've basically got a sell signal develop here. So we've had a pretty good move up, and now we've got this bearish rejection candle forming at the top of this move. So weakness is coming in here. So normally I wouldn't mind, I guess, sitting through a retracement, but through a retracement and the unexpected volatility of Brexit, well, yeah, I think I'll just take my money now and run with it. I think that's the smart, non-greedy approach. But Brexit, who knows, could be really bullish on the pound, and this could skyrocket, and I could have missed out on $20,000. I don't know, but let's just take some money while it's on the table. Not worry about those uncertainties. I want to be able to sleep, at night this week, not worrying about what the hell Brexit's going to do. So that's basically going to conclude the trade. I mean, it did move a fair way. This did require quite a large stop. We've got 170 pips stop there. So this did move, at the peak of it, it did move 700 pips, but I got out at 550 there. So yeah, this is the trade. Trading with price action, potentially avoiding a disaster, but exiting really on a price action reversal signal as well. This is a counter trade sort of signal. It goes against my trade momentum. It does signal its downside movement. How far it would move down, probably not sure. It may terminate at a swing point or something like that, coming back through there. We may see a buy signal come through there, but add Brexit on top of that, and I'll just take my money. I think I'm going to buy a new laptop or something like that. That's it from me today. Hopefully I'll be back with some more videos soon. I hope you guys stay safe for the Brexit event. Don't go too crazy, and I'll see you in the next video.